formation of the Earth 4.5 billion years ago. That's when it all occurred.
The Archaeozoic was burning up. Left and right volcanoes would start to erupt. Oxygen wasn't free, you had to pay for that stuff. The abandoned iron formation was living it up. Next up, Proterozoic, with O2 in the air. Ice covers the earth from here to there. Soft-bodied multicellular organisms weren't rare. They were like quartz. You can find them anywhere. Now check it out. The Phanerozoic eon means visible life. There's been 1,000 species, but it started with trilobites.
In the Paleozoic, life got more complex. Cambrian's a period that we'll describe next. Panotia took a split, just like Anison and Pitt. For all intents and purposes, that's basically it. On to the Orvician Gondwana like Jolie, uniting continents like her worldly family.
Lurian cranked it up a notch. 6% of marine species got kicked in. Shallow warm seas made tons of coquina, little shell fragments, you know what I mean.
Tectonic activity, Devonian style. Pangea on the way to stay for a while. Plants, sharks, fish set the stage, all until the Carboniferous age.
Down goes the sea, up go the mountains, glaciations spread out like a fountain. Mississippi and Pennsylvania make that cold. Yo no hable español. Permian period just was getting hot. Most marine animals find that they are not. It's the end of the story for the trilobite, while photosol eruptions are going on now. Era arose, Mesozoic, activity with evolution, climate and tectonics. The Triassic was bad news for some of hot and dry. Another marine extinction, and that's no lie. 3 main beds were rocking while volcanoes were popping. Red beds, chalk beds, and black shale topping.
Jurassic was fantastic. There's a calcite sea, a pretty dope time in history. Batholiths were forming in their age of reptiles. We got some weird fossils looking like the X-Files.
Cretaceous, the dinos were tenacious. Velociraptor and T-Rex preserving rock formations. Periods spawned a lot of chalk, but mass extinction was a major shock. The dinosaurs felt like they were capped by a Glock. This brought a new era, the Cenozoic and the Tertiary period. That was so sick. It's full of epochs, new animals be found. If you want to know them, then here's the breakdown.
First we got the Paleocene.
Ferns, cacti, and even palm trees.
Giant, carnivorous, flightless birds.
Those things were pretty freaky.
Word. Eocene, they thought things were swell. Extreme global warming made Earth a living hell. Lots of species died in Grand Cupra. The animals were dwarves. Ain't that super?
Extinction marked the start of the Miocene. The Andes were rising, that was quite a scene. Next the Pliocene, colder than an ice machine. And the Bering Land Bridge got us across the sea.
Cautionary period, we're getting to the end. 2 epochs have happened between now and then. The Pleistocene was full of glacial cycles, mammoths, blue oxen, and saber-toothed tigers.
What?
Early men were chucking spears back in the day, but the Holocene was coming, the age of man.
Make way!
Sea levels have risen,
But not much evolution.
Geologic Times documented.
All thanks to modern humans.